वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचं क्लासेसमध्ये स्वागत आहे. आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.
Okay. In the above, the chapter number 3, we are discussing in that the atom and a molecule. Okay. The first content of this chapter is the law of a chemical combination. Okay. First, okay, law of chemical combination. In that, the law of conservation of a mass. What is mean by the law of a conservation of a mass? That was discussed in a last period. But I repeat for you again, state that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This is mean the law of conservation of a mass, means the mass neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Here in chemical reaction. Here in chemical reaction, we neither created mass nor destroyed in the chemical reaction, and that is mean by the law of conservation of mass. This means that during a chemical reaction, the sum of the mass of the reactant and product remain unchanged. Okay? Remain unchanged. There is no change in a mass of reactant and the mass of product. Means whether we are doing sum there, sum of reactant is equal to sum of the product. Okay, that was always unchanged, and that is called the mass conservation of mass. Okay, now this is the activity regarding the law of conservation of a mass. First, we are taking here the barium sulfate 1.2 gram. Okay, barium sulfate 1.22 gram plus the sodium sulfate, barium chloride. Okay, BaCl2, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. There is the formation of a barium sulfate, BaSO4 plus sodium chloride, means NaCl. Okay? Okay? Yes. Means what happened here? The sum of this. Okay, this is the reactant. Okay, that are the reactant. Okay, the sum of a mass of reactant is equal to the sum of a product, one or more product. Okay, here what is the sum of this? When we are taking the doing the sum of 1.22 plus 1.53. Okay, okay, do this. 2.75. Okay, this is the net weight. Okay, when we are discussing here when we are taking the weight of barium chloride and the sodium sulfate. Okay, sodium sulfate. It is the weight of that is 300.23 gram. Okay, when there is the we are a mix, when the reaction between the barium chloride and the sodium sulfate, it was occurred here. Okay, and there is the formation of barium sulfate salt and sodium chloride. There is the no change. What we have seen here, there is the no change in the weight. There is no change in weight, and that is called the mass, the law of mass, conservation of a mass. Okay, the remain unchanged the weight of the reactant is equal to the product. Okay, the second point is that regarding the proportion, and that is called the law of a constant proportion. Law of constant proportion. Okay, what is the law of a constant proportion? Okay, here we are discussing about the law of a constant proportion means what? State that in a chemical compound, the element always present in a definite proportion by mass. Okay, means the chemical compounds always having a definite mass. Okay, the definite proportion of their masses. Okay, we are taking here example. Take here one example about the water. Okay, the water also, it is the combination of H2O always containing two elements of the hydrogen and the oxygen combined togetherly. Okay, in the same ratio, and the ratio of water is 2/16. 2.16. This is the ratio of water. Okay, means 2 molecule of the hydrogen and the remaining 60 molecule of the oxygen, means are 1.8 by mass. Okay, if 9 gram, what is that? If 9 gram of the water, when we are taking the 9 gram of water is decompose, we get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. Okay, what is that? When we are decomposing 9 gram of water, we will get 1 gram hydrogen and 8 gram oxygen, means such type of a proportion. Okay, such type of a proportion contained in a compound, and that is called the law of a constant proportion. Yeah, this proportion always same everywhere, whether we are taking the water. Okay, there is the we are taking another one example about the ammonia, NH3, always containing two elements. Okay, two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen, combined together in the same ratio of 14.3 by their masses. You can see here how they are a combinedly formed. Okay, it is the here diagrammatic representation. Okay, here hydrogen is there, here. Okay, this is the hydrogen, this is the oxygen. Okay, this is the bonding between the H2O. Okay, you can see this is the NH3. This is the bonding of the how the nitrogen is attached with the Nitrogen is attached with the hydrogen. This is the structure of the proportion. Okay, and as per the proportions, the structure of the compound is made. Okay. Now we are discussing about the Dalton's atomic theory. What is the Dalton atomic theory? In last period we have discussed about the Dalton. Okay. In this period we are discussing about the atomic theory. Okay. What is the first point? Matter is made up of a teeny particle that is called atom. Matter is the made up of the smallest particle we are unable to see in our naked eyes. Atoms are very, very, very small. We can't cut further atom into two pieces. The such type of a small particle is called atom. Okay? What is the matter? Matter is the very teeny particle that is called matter. Okay? Next. Atoms are invisible. What is it? Atoms are invisible. Okay. Invisible. And cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Okay, we are not creating or destroying atom into the chemical reaction. Okay, the atoms are invisible. Why they are invisible? Because of they are very small in size. Our eyes are not able to see them. The such type of a small particle. Next, atoms of a given element are similar in mass and properties. Atoms of a given element that are similar in mass and properties. Whether we are discussing about the mass, we know that the law of mass, conservation of mass. And when we are discussing about the properties, every particle of the matters that are always showing its properties. Okay. When we are taking water from RO, it also having the same property. There is the combination of combination of the H2O. Always there are the same everywhere. Okay. Now atoms of a different element have a different masses and properties. Okay, here the different elements and different masses. Atoms of different elements, different masses and their property. Means when we are discussing about the class, in the class, the maximum students are in the class. Okay. Every student means Rajesh having their speciality. Vedika having their own different speciality. Akshay having their own speciality. Means when we are discussing about the student, okay, all students are not the same. Okay, all students are different. Okay, whether the all students are different from each other, they are different masses and the properties are different. Okay, when we are taking the weight of the all students, not the same. Okay, they are different in masses. Okay, when we are discussing about the diversity, everyone's color are different, hairstyle are different, eye shade are different, size are different. Means everything are different regarding the student. Like here, the different elements having the different masses and their properties. Atom combine in small whole number ratio to form a compound. Okay, when atom is combined, there one ratio we have seen in a first diagram. Okay, the proportion, we are constant proportion. That was law of constant proportion. We are studied it. Okay, when we are discussing about the law of constant proportion, at the number of a ratio are there, and as per the ratio the compounds are formed. Okay, there is no change in the ratio whether there is a compound is formed. It in a given compound the relative number and the kind of atom are a constant. Law of a constant proportion. Okay, there is the now this is about the atom. Okay, this is about the atom, and that point we will discuss in next period. Okay, bye.
ओके विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो हे तुम्हाला समजलंच असेल. ओके, आणि धिस इज टोटल अबाउट द ॲटम अँड इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ ॲटम विच थिंग्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट regarding the atom, what type of a constitution, what type of conservation laws. Okay, that over all things we are discussing in continuously one by one. Okay, तर I request to all of you subscribe this channel. Okay, and share to your friends. Okay, सर्वांना विनंती आहे, एक तर सबस्क्राईब करा आणि तुमच्या मित्रांना पाठवा. ओके, नाव वी आर स्टॉप हिअर.